Hi everybody, Malik the Magic Guy, expertvillage.com. More on balloons. Now we're going to make a mouse, and this is a great one for little kids. This is going to be a little different than what we've done before. You actually want to blow up the balloon so it's only got about 5 or 6 inches of air in it. We're going to tie it off like we did in the basic section. If you haven't watched that, then you should go watch that. And we're going to make really small bubbles. Now this is going to take some practice because it's going to be a little smaller than what you're used to. But you want to make about a 3/4 inch, just like that. And 2 more the same size. Just like this. It's everything we've already done, just with much smaller bubbles. Okay? Really small neck. This is the basic dog design, just with the bubbles made really small. Okay, so we have our ears and our front legs. And a little body just like this. And a couple of little back legs just like that. And that is how you make a mouse.